What is Azure AI Foundry? Microsoft's unified platform for building enterprise AI. Explained. Building enterprise AI used to be a mess. You had separate tools for every single task, no unified model catalog, manual governance and compliance, siloed teams working with disconnected data. Azure AI Foundry changes all of that. Azure AI Foundry is Microsoft's unified enterprise platform for building, deploying, and managing AI applications. It combines models, agents, data grounding, and governance, all under one roof. It's built on 4 core pillars. First, the model catalog. Over 1,900 models from OpenAI, Meta, Mistral, Microsoft, and more, all available in one place. Second, the agent service. Build autonomous AI agents that can perceive, think, act, and observe using tools like code interpreters, web search, and custom functions. Third, data and knowledge. Connect your own documents using retrieval augmented generation so your AI answers from your real data, not just training data. Fourth, governance. Built-in content safety, role-based access control, and compliance certifications, including HIPAA, SOC 2, and GDPR. The model catalog alone is a game changer. GPT-4o, o1, Llama 3.1 up to 405 billion parameters, Mistral Large, Microsoft 5.4, Cohere Command R+. You can test any model in the playground before deploying it, pay per token, or use reserved compute. The agent service lets you build agents that loop through a perceive, think, act, and observe cycle, powered by any model in the catalog. Agents can use code interpreters, file search, Bing grounding, model context protocol tools, and your own custom functions. Retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, lets you ground your AI in your own documents. Your files get chunked, embedded into vectors, indexed in Azure AI Search, and then retrieved at query time so the model answers with real, accurate, up-to-date information from your organization. And responsible AI is not an afterthought. Azure AI Foundry has built-in content safety filters, prompt injection shields, groundedness detection to catch hallucinations, fairness analysis, and full enterprise compliance, all configurable from day one. This is just episode 1 of our complete Azure AI Foundry series. Subscribe to Expert of AI and watch the next episode to go deeper into the portal, the model catalog, AI agents, and everything in between. See you in the next one.